You've probably all heard that having a reserve study is a good idea. Every year, there's more states requiring reserve planning, but reserve planning is not just a good idea or a state law requirement. It's your roadmap forward to a safe and successful future. That's because deterioration is an enemy of your association and it throws many expenses in your path. So if you're serious about caring for your property, you need to fund your reserves on an ongoing basis. Then you'll have the cash to perform your major repair and replacement projects in a timely manner and not fall behind. In this section of the webinar, we'll explain that it's an attitude that you need to embrace. We own it, and we're going to maintain it. So now that you know the objective, taking good care of the common areas, I want to drive home that point with a few minutes of focusing on other factors influencing board behavior, areas where the board does not have a choice. And that has to do with deterioration. Deterioration is ongoing. It does not take a day off. There's nothing anyone can do to stop deterioration. It's just a part of life. Mother Nature and Father Time don't care that you're trying to keep costs down. They're going to do what they do every day. Gradually take everything that was new and make it old and unusable. Now, your property is doomed to deteriorate, and your owners will suffer the fate of that deterioration living in a lackluster association unless you have a plan to fight deterioration. Reserves are your plan to save your association from the higher cost of deferred maintenance and the higher cost of insurance, to save them from surprises due to big and predictable projects that you failed to plan in time to accomplish. And reserves are your plan to accomplish those major projects in a timely manner and for the board to do their job maintaining the common areas. And a nice side effect is maximized home values. And I also know that based on the amount of people joining us today, that many of you are thinking, or you have owners at your association who think, well, why should we set aside funds for the future for others to enjoy? And I agree. That sounds like charity. But reserve funding is not charity for future owners. You own the property now. It's deteriorating every day. Boards and managers need to care for it. And homeowners have agreed to pay for that deterioration because they're members of the association. They can leave if they don't want to pay. And they've agreed to pay in those little pieces month by month that we call the ongoing assessments. So set the budget to pay the ongoing deterioration bill. It's an ongoing usage cost, the cost of owning a home in the association. So think of the reserves portion of your budget as paying that monthly deterioration bill. It's your bill to pay month after month after month, year after year after year. So the funds are there to do the necessary projects in a timely manner. Deterioration is going to occur a little every day. So if you don't plan for it, you're essentially preparing or planning to fail. At Association Reserves, we make the present less stressful and the future more secure. If you want to join us in this mission, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below on what you'd like to see us address in a future video. Let's plan for your best future.